Welcome to WWP Genetics. We're thrilled to have you join us for another engaging and informative video. Today we will be discussing harnessing cannabis genetics for climate resilience, strategies for sustainable cultivation. Cannabis cultivation faces significant challenges in the face of changing climate conditions, including rising temperatures, irregular precipitation patterns, and an increase in extreme weather events. However, the genetic adaptability of cannabis makes it a unique and promising crop for climate-resilient agriculture. By leveraging advancements in genetics and cultivation techniques, growers can mitigate the effects of climate change and enhance the sustainability of cannabis production. One key area of focus is the development of cannabis strains with increased tolerance to extreme temperatures. Cannabis plants are sensitive to both heat and cold stress, which can negatively impact their growth, flowering, and cannabinoid production. Through selective breeding and genetic modification, researchers are creating strains that can thrive in a wider range of temperatures. For instance, certain sativa-dominant strains exhibit a natural resilience to high heat and humidity, making them ideal for cultivation in tropical or arid regions. Conversely, indica-dominant strains are often better suited for colder climates, and efforts are being made to crossbreed these varieties to improve their adaptability. Water scarcity, a growing concern in many agricultural sectors, poses a significant threat to cannabis cultivation. Cannabis is a water-intensive crop, and traditional growing methods often require substantial water inputs. To address this issue, researchers are exploring drought-resistant cannabis strains that can maintain productivity with limited water resources. Genetic studies have identified specific genes associated with water use efficiency, which can be targeted for breeding programs. Additionally, advancements in cultivation technologies, such as drip irrigation systems and soil moisture monitoring, are helping growers optimize water usage and reduce waste. Another critical consideration is the impact of shifting photoperiods and light intensity due to climate change. Cannabis is a photoperiod-sensitive plant, meaning its flowering cycle is triggered by changes in light exposure. To adapt to variable daylight hours, breeders are developing auto-flowering strains that flower based on age rather than light cycles. These strains are particularly valuable in regions with inconsistent sunlight patterns, allowing for predictable harvests regardless of environmental conditions. Furthermore, the integration of indoor and greenhouse cultivation systems with controlled lighting environments provides additional flexibility and resilience against unpredictable weather. The increasing prevalence of pests and diseases due to changing climates also threatens cannabis crops. Warmer temperatures and higher humidity levels create favorable conditions for pathogens like powdery mildew and pests such as spider mites and aphids. By studying the genetic resistance of cannabis to these threats, researchers are identifying and promoting traits that enhance the plant's natural defenses. Organic and integrated pest management strategies, coupled with the use of disease-resistant strains, can significantly reduce the reliance on chemical interventions, aligning with sustainable cultivation practices. Cannabis genetics are also being explored for their ability to sequester carbon and rehabilitate degraded soils. As a fast-growing plant with deep root systems, cannabis can improve soil structure, prevent erosion, and absorb substantial amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This potential makes it an attractive candidate for regenerative agriculture initiatives aimed at combating climate change. Hemp, a non-psychoactive variety of cannabis, is particularly well suited for these purposes, offering both ecological and economic benefits. In conclusion, the intersection of cannabis cultivation and climate adaptation represents a vital area of research and innovation. By harnessing the genetic diversity of cannabis and adopting advanced cultivation practices, growers can not only safeguard their crops against the impacts of climate change, but also contribute to broader sustainability goals. This approach ensures that cannabis remains a viable and environmentally responsible crop in the face of an uncertain future. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you found today's video informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay updated on our latest content. For more exciting insights, be sure to check out our brother channel at WWP Logistics. See you in the next video.